Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the essence of life in Hytale. Now to get this, I suggest you go to this biome right here. As you can see, go to these ones, and when you come to such biomes, you'll find these pumpkins. And what I want you to do is just go ahead and harvest these pumpkins. As you can see, they also give you the essence of life, and these usually drop a lot. What you could also do is go ahead and harvest things like mushroom, berries, basically any vegetables or fruits. You have a good chance of getting the essence of life as well. So that is what I suggest you go ahead and do. As you can see, we have mushrooms here. Let me show you the same thing with some berries. We have wheat as well that give you essence of life. Basically, fruits and vegetables. But that is how to get essence of life in Hytale. Just go around and collect them. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.